Welcome to how to find your Tinder location history. So in this video we are going to show you how to find your Tinder location history. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do is you will just open up your browser here, and then you will basically go to this page where it says account.gotinder.com, and then you will basically use the method which you have used to sign up. So I have signed up with my phone number, so I will tap on login with phone number, and then you will basically add your phone number here, and it will send a verification code to your phone number, and then you will put that code here, and then basically it will allow you to download all of your data from Tinder, and then in that data you can basically view your location history. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.